Hi, welcome to another episode of How to Make Food, and I'm your host, Leslie Perrier. Today we have an exciting treat for you. Today we're going to make a cheese sandwich. So let's take a look at our ingredients. So what I have my bread, loaf bread, Sunbeam Giant, of course. Then I have mustard. I like mustard on my cheese sandwich. And this is French's Creamy Yellow. So that's what we're going to use as our condiment. And then we're going to use some Kraft, the American Singles cheese. That's what I love, the American Singles cheese. And this is a sandwich that I eat every day for lunch. So what we do is we'll take a slice of the cheese out. And then, of course, we'll begin with our bread. Okay, so now we've got 2 pieces of bread down. Fold that up a little bit later. So now we take our mustard and very carefully, because if it comes out too much, it's not going to be good. So I'm going to shake it down a little bit, make sure that it gets down. Now I'm going to put a little bit of mustard on one side and a little bit of mustard on the other side. I don't know if you can see that, but I could show you right quick. See, this is how much I put on that side, and this is how much I put on this side. Okay, so now we're going to spread the mustard all over the piece of bread. Looking good. So now we take our slice of American cheese by Kraft and we unwrap it, all this American cheese goodness. And now we take it and we place it on the bread. Cover it with the other piece of bread. So now we have an American cheese sandwich. So as I normally do with the sandwich, we'll take it and I use a butter knife. Be sure to just use a butter knife, nothing with a serrated edge or a steak knife or anything like that, because I don't want you to get cut. So we take the butter knife and I like to cut it diagonally. So I start at one end and then I start cutting. Okay. So now we have our American cheese sandwich cut in 2 so we can eat it individually. I eat these every day. They're great. Oh, were you surprised? Were you expecting a grilled cheese sandwich? Well, I didn't say anything about grilled cheese. I said American cheese. I said a cheese sandwich. So here's a wonderful cheese sandwich. Give it a try. Boy, that is some Kraft goodness. I'll see you next time, and keep on making food.